So let us see about the honey. We have to see about the honey. What it is about the honey? Honey means bees collect nectar, sweet juices. If there is a plant, and in the plant there is a flower, so from the flower these bees will come and they will take some juice. They will take some juice, and they will on a large tree, they will start making, or some places they start making hives, and there will be a small structure will be there. In this small structure, these workers, the bees workers, ये bees क्या हैं? These are bees workers. They are collecting it and storing it here, and slowly it is converting into honey. And this honey have a very high level of benefits. And here we can say that bees collect nectar from the plant and then store it and convert into honey. So the bees collect nectar, that is the sweet juices from the flowers, convert it into honey and store in their hive. अपने hive में store करते हैं. Here it is hives. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. Why? Because you know that flowers do not grow throughout the year. The flowers generally grows in the in the season after the winter. You know that there are the 4 seasons, and the season, like I have discussed with you, the fall season, that is from the start from September, October, November. Winter season, that is starting from December, January, February. And then another spring season comes, that is in the month of February also, March, April. So in these months there is some flower grow, and during that period honeybee used to take that bees workers take the nectar from the flowers, and then they make honey hives and they collect it. So the bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. Few months काम करते हैं all through the year अपने, लेकिन हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we take it, and if we'll eat it, it will help in our blood sugar regulation. In our body में हमारा शुगर को ठीक करेगा. मतलब हमें आउटसाइड शुगर केन जो बाहर शुगर मिलता है चीनी, वी शुड नॉट इट. हमारे लिए प्रोबायोटिक है, हमारी बॉडी को सेल को और यंग बनाता है, हमारे बॉडी में ब्यूटीफुल एंड हेल्दी स्किन, कफ के लिए ठीक रहता है, बूस्ट आवर मेमोरी, प्रोवाइड्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स, ट्रीट्स वुंड, यदि चोट लगा हुआ है उसके लिए भी अच्छा ट्रीटमेंट करता है आपको, हेल्प्स विद सीजनल एलर्जीज, हमारी कहीं बर्निंग है तो उसमें भी ठीक करेगा, रिड्यूस अल्सर्स, कोई घाव वगैरह हुआ है, एंटी बैक्टीरियल एंटी फंगल भी होता है. These are the benefits of what? Honey. So honey is what I said, that bee collect nectar, that is a sweet juice from the flower, and then collect into a hive, and then it converts into honey.